Hey guys, your guy Paul from Mwenye Auto Hub here with me. I have the Toyota Fielder. I have Toyota Mark X 2013 to 2019 projector LED headlights. Has 3 projectors, 1, 2, and the main one is there. It has the day running light. It has a sequential turn signal. It's a very good quality. It also has the automatic leveling motor here. It's automatic, you can see. These are the plugs. So this one is just a plug fit and play. Let me show you more plugs. These are the plugs. You can see the plugs. So this is just a plug fit and play. This is the automatic leveling motor, but if you want to do it manually, we have these provisions for manual leveling. Unaingiza screwdriver yako hapa, unaona kwa hiyo kashimo pale, una level the headlight manually. But kama unataka kufanya manually, kama gari yako iko na that feature, motor yake ndio hii hapa. So get yourself this headlight. Zote ziko kwa stock. We have a stock of few pairs, na tunakupea moja na 50k, zote mbili at 100k. Number on bio to order.